Alright, we're going to start with some ramen noodles. We've got 6 squares here, and then we're going to add some water. This is a cup right here. Add that full cup, and then I'm going to add some whipping cream because I love my noodles a little creamy.
So do I.
So we're just going to add that right on top. You can just eyeball that one. Alright, then we're going to add another cup of water. We need that moisture under there to cook these noodles.
Definitely.
Third cup.
Hello, everybody. On behalf of General Mills and its many and varied services, a warm welcome to our Betty Crocker kitchens. This is an extremely important day to me, and for everyone on our home service staff, too. You know, for a long, long time, we've wished that you might visit us here and share our experiences just as we've shared in yours through the years. Hello, everybody.
Water.
3 down.
1 to go. Alright, we've got our 4th and final cup of water. Alright, now we're going to crack 1 egg onto each of these. So 6 total.
Nice.
And I'm trying to keep them as best as I can on their designated...
Ramen square.
Yeah.
I see.
I mean, they're eggs,
They
so...
might slide a little.
Yeah.
They might do their own thing.
We gotta try our best. That's why I'm doing it slow. Eggs and ramen is just the best.
Oh, yeah.
We'll be working in our big terrace kitchen for the most part, but here's a glimpse of some of the others. The camera kitchen, for instance, where we take hundreds of food photographs every year. It has sunny yellow walls, white cupboards, and sinks of stainless steel. This is what we call the kitchen of tomorrow, because it's where our work for the future gets its start. All new foods and new methods are tested and developed here.
Gives it a nice flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Just takes it up a notch, pretty much.
It really does. Ugh, those two right there, they want to get away from us. Alright, then we're going to take some sriracha for our spice lovers, and we're just going to drizzle this. Look at that. Woo-wee.
Mm-hmm.
Right on top. Now we've got our seasoning that comes with the ramen. I just put them all in together. We're going to shake that on top of that.
I'm loving this so far. Absolutely loving it.
This is a great, easy, quick dinner for your family. Then we've got some crushed red pepper.
Take the spices up a notch.
Yeah.
It's getting hotter by the minute.
We've got some Southwest Chipotle seasoning. I just know ramen lovers are going to love this.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, this was the birthplace of the new recipe we're going to show you today. The decorations, as you probably noticed, are hand-painted Swedish modern, and the woodwork is a soft blue. The polka dot kitchen, where our home appliances are tested, is perhaps the gayest and most colorful of all. The red and white polka dot theme used on our iron and toaster packages is followed here, with accents of yellow and black. And here's a surprising contrast for you after seeing your up-to-the-minute kitchens. This is our early American dining room, with its old paneling actually taken from a New England home of 1750. Wide fireplace, antique chairs, and the dough box create an atmosphere of old-time charm. And there you have our home, so to speak, which you will be seeing each week from now on.
Some chili powder.
Yeah, can't forget the chili powder. That's like secret sauce almost.
Mm-hmm. Paprika. And I'm careful with this. Garlic powder, and I love garlic. So
Classic.
I'm heavy-handed with this one. Cayenne, a little bit more spice.
Yeah, a lot more spice with this one.
I can smell all
I
these
can smell it
spices.
here.
And then roasted garlic and herb. I know I put garlic already, but I like these bigger chunks.
Yeah.
And it's got herb as well.
My nostrils are burning.
ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees.
I know you're going to enjoy meeting the members of my staff who will be working here with me. We'll bring you new recipes, new ideas, new ways to make the job of homemaking easier and more pleasant. You will meet also some of the fine General Mills products we use here in the kitchens.
Nice.
Whoa. Y'all, come on.
Oh, yeah.
You know my name.
What?
Looky here. Alright, I'm just gonna start taking some tongs
Oh, yeah.
and
Got
mixing
some nice
that
yolk there.
all together. Just to make those spices more even. Look under there, you can see that broth is
Oh,
like
yeah, that is gonna be
the color of
super
it.
good. Ooh, you see the steam hitting the camera. Let me get to the side.
it smells so good. Oh my
Maybe get a
gosh.
piece of that egg in there. That's gonna be a nice spice.
I know, I'm so excited. Alright, I'm gonna get a bite and I want some spices in that yolk.
Gotta get that good yolk right there.
Oop. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite of this.
What?
Products like our gold medal kitchen tested enriched flour, for instance. We've come to count on it to help give us perfect results in all our bakings every time. I'd like to tell you what Ruth is making just now. It's our spectacular new pastry recipe called Stir and Roll. And you have no idea how thrilled we are with it. We think this extraordinary method of making pie crust opens up a whole new world of pastry making. It assures speed, ease, and perfection for even the least experienced homemaker.
But I'm nervous because y'all, I put so many, you saw how many spices I put in here. And I can't handle spice at all. Okay. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh, this is so bomb.
What?
I need a glass of milk.
Hey, y'all go
My
out there and try
chest is
this.
burning. My chest is burning. Whew.
What?
Did you know that a spread is a prison meal made by inmates? Spreads are often made with commissary ingredients such as instant ramen and corn puffs. Spreads can be simple meals or elaborate and inventive combinations of ingredients. So I just want to let y'all know that's a jail food made by prison inmates, putting together their commissary so that they could try to make a meal. And
I'm hungry, fool. Let's make something to eat.
Alright.
What do you have?
Hey, let me get some chips.
Here.
Yeah.
Hey, Bunky, I'm gonna make a spread, man. You wanna throw in on it?
Oh, hell yeah. I only have a hot pickle. Is that cool?
That's all you got, man? Alright, man, I got you. Bussin'.